No, we're not moving. We're not moving.
Possession your ram straight out there. You got him? Alright. Hey.
Okay.
You grab him?
Yeah, hold on. They're right there.
Well, okay. Well, he's out in the open.
Yeah.
All these guys behind us are dead.
Fuck.
Trent, grab him.
Where? Who?
Right there. Grab him up.
You can.
Anyone have a tourniquet or anything?
I got bandages. Here.
Here, cover me. I'll grab this too.
Long as fuck. Here.
And then we'll grab you here in a second. Move your arm in. Ready? Alright, you're good?
Yeah, they're shooting straight at us, man.
Bandage.
Let's go, boys! You want to live forever?
Alright. I'm taking this back.
Thanks, man. It's not really on there good.
Who needs to be revived?
Sorry.
Where?
He's hit. Hey, he's dead. Oh, fuck.
You're it?
Yeah.
We have medics. You use both? Chicken coop. Where chicken coop used to be. None of your closest. Oh, yeah, the house too, but I feel like chicken coop.
They're inside! We're inside!
Do we have inside control?
That's game, yeah.
That's game?
Is it?
I don't know.
It shouldn't be. We're looking for the crate. Did we grab it?
Oh, man.
Do we have crate? Hold on. We have inside. We just
I got it. Just give me a sec.
Sorry about that.
How games are?
Good job.
Huh? Ooh, those are tense.
We just eradicated them.
Yeah, that was good.
Look out.
That was good.
I ain't get hit once either.